What are the 5 roles and responsibilities of a project manager? Project manager's role and responsibilities in the Scrum. Project managers were previously responsible for creating and executing the plan within budget, meeting deadlines, and completing scopes. Among other things, project managers were responsible for managing scope, costs, risks, quality, people, processes, communication, and procurement. That's right. An extremely challenging situation was presented to the project manager in that case. 1. Ensure that the project meets its objectives. 2. Defining the scope of the project. 3. Changes in scope must be managed. 4. Time and cost estimation. 5. Mitigating and managing risks. If you like the video, we request you to like and subscribe to the Agilemania YouTube channel to encourage us to provide more valuable information on Agile, Scrum, and Safe.